Welcome to HVAC Ed. I know you're looking for a career in HVAC. HVAC is one of those careers where you don't have to go to school for a long time, but you can still make good money. Just put your name and email in the box, and we're going to send you our guide to HVAC schools and what the incomes are like in the different areas after you get out. One of the cool things about going into HVAC is a lot of us start working for other people, but then you can also go into business for yourself. Just put your name and email address in the box and we'll send you some information about being an HVAC tech, information on the schools, and also information about salaries in the different areas. Looks like they're shutting things down now, so I got to get out of here. But if you become an HVAC tech, you can work residential, helping people with their heating and air conditioning at home. You can work commercial, you can work new construction, and even end up working in the skyscrapers if you like. All right, thanks for coming by. Put your information in and we'll send you some good stuff.
What are you still doing here? Put your email in the box. Put it in the box and I'll even send you something. Come on, put your email in the box. You'll get something from me.